Well, I'm working on the oldest tool in my shop. This is the 1890 Prentice lathe, retrofitted with an electric motor. And tonight, I've got the J2 on there, and I'm doing some human Swiss. I am the human Swiss machine. This is something basic, but I need a couple hundred of these guys. So here we go. Set it up to the back chuck. Sits, that's our stop, and then we start rolling. I don't have a Swiss machine yet. It's coming. That's how I set up my lathe, do little jobs like that. Quick, dirty, simple. Just get with it. That's our completed part. We've got our stamping etched with our thread. It just goes in wood, and we will see. So for a small test batch to see if the consumer likes it, because they're picky, you never know what the fuck they're gonna like. I don't want to waste my time with an order of 1,000 parts. Our first batch is 40 parts, 40, 50 parts. I just parted off on the lathe. Bought some rod, have a beer, start parting.